class. Again, you have to remember my name. My name is Nikita ma'am. So don't forget me, okay? I am going to take your classes. But what class are you taking? किसी को पता है यहाँ पे क्या करने आए हैं? मैम पढ़ाने वाले हैं आपको, मैं पढ़ाने वाली हूँ. Who knows all the alphabets from A to Z? Show me your thumbs up. Oh wow, इतने सारे बच्चों को आते हैं. You all are very smart. You all know your ABCD. Okay, so now I'm going to play a song and it's a fun rhyme. And you all have to dance on this song. Okay, so that you don't feel lazy. Okay? Come on, get up quickly and show me some dance moves, okay? Should I play the song? It's a ABCD's rhyme, okay? Smile. Smile, big smiles. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Come, sing with me. Come on, fast. Smile, smile, smile. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Won't you come and sing with me? Okay, so the song is saying bye-bye. Super. Okay, so children, you all know A to Z, right? All the alphabets. But do you know that all these alphabets have their own sounds? Do you know this? Who knows that all these alphabets have their own sounds? Who knows? Show me your thumbs up. This is yes. And if you don't know, you can show me no. Yes, so all these alphabets have different sounds and they all say different sounds. But you know what? Amongst these alphabets, there are 5 very, very naughty alphabets. And they are called as vowels. There are 5 naughty alphabets: A, E, I, O, U. They are very naughty. Naughty alphabets they are. And they take out 2 sounds. Not just one, but they have 2 sounds. But rest of our alphabet family says only 1 sound. So now I am going to tell you about every alphabet and its sound. Okay? And we will also play a game. Okay? Also, if you want to give the answer as yes, you will show me like this, thumbs up. And if you want to give me the answer no, thumbs down. Understood? Ready, everyone? Okay. Ready? So let us see the first letter. Give the answer to your mama. Which is the first letter? Give the answer to your mama, and if you guessed it right, tell me that, ma'am, I guessed it right. Guessed everyone? Okay, now let me show you which is the first letter. Did you all guessed it right? Who all guessed it? Oh, wow. Most of you guessed it right. So let me tell you now. The first letter is letter A, alphabet A. Capital A, small a. This is capital A. This is small a. And A says A, as in apple. A says A, as in apple. Can you all please repeat after me? Letter A says A. Open your mouth, everybody. A. No tongue out. No tongue out. Tongue will be inside only, okay? No masti in the class. A. 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 A has the sound A. 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 Okay? When I say A has the sound, you will all start doing A. 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 No tongue out, Avyan. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. A has the sound A. 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 Very good. Now let us see some pictures that start with the A sound. Again, say A. Alligator. A. Apple. A. Arrow. A. Ant. A. X. A. Avocado. Now I will not say A. I want you all to read the picture with me fast. Okay. But make sure that the beginning sound is A. Okay. All these pictures are with A sound. Avocado. Alligator. Apple. Arrow. Very good. Ant. Axe. Everybody is opening their mouth. Let me see. Mummies will tell me. Are you all opening your mouth? Apple. Alligator. Superb. Now, to remember the sound, you have to remember this rhyme. Okay? The A says A. The A says A. Apple and an alligator. The A says A. Okay? One more time. The A says A. The A says A. Apple and an alligator. The A says A. Now I'm going to stop this. Okay? When I'll say the A says, you all will say A. The A says A. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. The A says A. The A says A. Apple and an alligator. The A says A. Superb. Good job. So when you all will do this so nicely, I will give you a special clap. Okay? You have to fan yourself. See. Fantastic. Superb. Now you all know the A says A. The A says A. So let us play a game now. You have to give me the answer in yes or no. Okay? Ready, everyone? Let me share my screen with you all. So this is a caterpillar, children. And this is a caterpillar for letter A. A. So I'll show you a picture here. You have to tell me whether this picture will go on the caterpillar. If it starts with letter A, that is the A sound, you will say yes. अगर ये picture A sound से आएगा, तो it will go on the caterpillar. But if it doesn't start with A sound, then it will not go on the caterpillar. Okay? So I'm going to help you in the first one. This is apple. Will it go in the caterpillar? Yes or no? Show me your thumb. अगर ये एप्पल जाना चाहिए ए वाले पिक्चर में तो शो मी योर थम्स अप. नहीं जाना चाहिए तो thumbs down. Come on, quickly show me. Very good. Shaurya, Gurbas, Krisha, Mohammed. Will the apple go? Very good. Swati, very good. Avyan, very good. Marha. Please tell me how you say your name at the end again. Shivan, where are you? Rashmin, very good. Palvit, very good. So let us see the magic. Oh, yes. Apple. Now, the next picture is ball. Will this picture go on the caterpillar? The caterpillar only has sounds, okay? Come on, everybody. Krisha and Shaurya, very good. Gurbas, will ball go in the caterpillar? Think and answer. Swati, very good. Mohammed, Gurbas, think and answer. It's ball or caterpillar. Very good, Mohammed. Very good, Maria. Very good, Rashmin. Very good, Palvit. Very good, Avian. Very good. Shivan, Shivai Modi, please come in your place. No, because it's ball. It's not a sound picture. Now, see this. This is an ant. Will the ant go in the caterpillar? In the caterpillar? Very good. Very good. You all are very smart. Yes. Ant. See. So we have apple, ant. Now, what's this? This looks like a puppy. Will this puppy go in the caterpillar? Very good, Palvit and Rashmin. Very quick answer you give. Will the puppy go in the caterpillar? Shaurya, Mohammed, Swati, very good. Gurbas, very good. Krisha, very good. Shaurya, what's your answer? Mohammed, very good. Very good, Shaurya. Palvit, what's your answer? Avian, very good. Marza. Your mummy has written Boo also. Your name. Very good. You are giving the right answer, beta. Now, what's this? Aeroplane. Will the aeroplane go in the caterpillar? It's aeroplane. Aeroplane. Who thinks it will go? Who thinks it will go aeroplane? Wow. Very smart. Yes, it's aeroplane. Dinosaur in the class. Ooh. Do you think this dinosaur will go in the caterpillar? No. Dinosaur will not go. Very good. Okay. So now one more game. Okay. Shaurya, please keep your dino aside. Thank you. Okay. Now one more game we are going to play. I want everybody to stand up. Quickly stand up from your place. Now get me an object that starts with letter A and makes the sound A. Come on, quickly run. Get an object from your house. It can be a toy. It can be a fruit, anything that starts with letter A. Come on, quickly. Very good. I can see an aeroplane. Ah, what's this, Boo? Wow, I can see one more aeroplane. Apple. Very good. Arrow, aeroplane. Another apple. Very good. So many apples. Anything else that you didn't see on the screen? All the toys aside. Because now we are going to learn the second letter. And what comes after A? Does anybody know? If you know, Tell the answer to your mama. Quickly tell the answer to your mama. And then if you guessed it right, show me your finger. Thumbs up if you guessed it right, okay? So I'm showing you what comes after A. And I guessed it right. Let me see who guessed it right. Wow, you all are very, very smart. So which letter is this? This is letter B. Capital B, small b. Again, see, can you all see my red marker? Dancing, dancing. So here is my red marker. Capital B, small b. What is the sound for this now? I'll tell you, okay? Capital B, small b says B as in butterfly. Capital B, small b says B as in butterfly. Okay? Can you all repeat after me? B has the sound B, 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 B. What is the sound for B? B, B, B. Very good. So now let us see the pictures that start with letter B and makes the sound B. Okay? So, B, ball, B, bell, B, bananas, B, bird, B, balloons, B, bee. Okay? Now I want you all to repeat after me or say with me. Ball, bell, bananas, bird, balloons, bee. Okay? Now let us see what's the song for this. There's one more song. You have to remember these songs and they will help you remember all the objects and the sound, okay? Come on, ready? The bee says B. The bee says B. Bat, ball and butterfly. The bee says B. Again, one more time. Fast. The bee says B. The bee says B. Bat, ball and butterfly. The bee says B. Okay, now I'm going to stop. The bee says, very good. The bee says B. Everybody, the bee says B. The bee says B. Bat, ball and butterfly. The bee says B. Superb. Now who wants to play the game? Ready? Okay, now I'm going to show you a fish pond. And in this fish pond, you can only put the objects that starts with letter B. That is B. So if you think that object will go in the fish pond, you will show me your thumbs up. And if you think that the object will not go because it doesn't start with the sound B, you will show thumbs down. Agar B, B, B. If the word sound starts with B, you will put the object in the fish pond. अगर नहीं स्टार्ट होगा ब से, so you will not put the object. Okay, so thumbs up for yes and thumbs down for no. Okay, ready? Come on, let us see. Wow, this is a nice fish pot, and this fish pot will only take fishes with objects that start with the B sound. So what's the first object? Let us see. Ball. Will this go in the pot? Very good, Krisha. Others? I want everybody to show me their thumbs. Very good. Very good. Superb, everyone. Yes, so let us do the magic. Oops. Wow. It's in the pot. Now, this next object is a goat. Will the goat go in the B fish pot? Very good, Marza, Avyan, Palvit, Rashmin. Very good. Krisha, Swati, Muhammad. Very good. Shaurya and Gurbas, what about you? What's your answer? No. Very good. Shaurya. Very good. It will not go. Now, next. Balloons. Will the balloons go in the fish pot? Marzi, very good. You're smiling. Everybody, Rashmin, Palvit, very good. Muhammad, your answer. Avyan, very good. Muhammad, what do you think? Balloons will go in the fish pot? Swati, think and answer. It's balloons. Balloons. Yes, it'll go. Good job. Now see what's this. Oh, this looks like a ship. Will the ship go in the fish pot? It's a ship. And the fish pot is of B. Swati's mama, is she not understanding? Swati, wait, I'll come back to you. Others, I want your answers. Rashmin, can you please come back in your place? Mohammed, please unmute yourself. Yes, it's a no. Good job. Ma'am, is Mohammed understanding? Mohammed, who is sitting with you, beta?
My mama.
Ma'am, Mohammed's mama, is he understanding or he's having trouble?
He's having little difficulty in understanding the word.
Okay, Mohammed, this is a ship. Will the ship go in the fish pot? Does ship starts with B?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Ship. And the fish pot is
Ship
B.
is a sound with S.
Ship starts with B? No. So it doesn't start with B. It will not go in the fish pond. Okay? Okay, I will ask you again at the end, Mohammed. Parents, if any child is having a difficulty, please don't influence their answers, because I would like to know who is understanding and who is not, so that I can ask them individually later. Even Swati. Swati, can you please unmute?
Yeah, she's understanding. She thought it as a boat itself, so she was showing the thumbs up. And her name is Swasti.
Swasti, okay.
Swasti, yes.
Okay, so the ship will not go. Okay, now again, I want you all to get up and get me one toy that starts with B. Quickly, everybody. I can see Palvit already has the bus. Very good. Ball, bus, ball, bag. Very good. Very good. I can see more balls. Very good. Ball. Anybody else getting anything else? Ball, bag. Marzi, very nice. I like you're using recycled bags. Very good. Bus, ball, bag. What else? Oh, let me see. I have something to show you. Box. This is a box. Box. Anything else I can show you? I'll show you big box. See? Big box. Big box. Anything else you can show me? Anybody wants to show me? Bat and ball. Yes, this is a cricket bat. You remember I showed you something. See, I'll show you. One more bat I'll show you all. See, Nikita ma'am will show you, but that's not your cricket bat. Can you all see? See this bat. See this bat. This bat flies in the sky. It's a mammal. Bat. Butterfly. Ball. Bag. Box. Big. I'm big. Big. Okay, now. Now, I am going to unmute one of you and ask you a question, okay? Marzia, please unmute yourself. Yes. Marzia, you live in Bombay, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me which letter does Bombay start with? Very good. Bombay. Good job. Now, I want to unmute one more child. Everybody will get a chance. Yes, can you please tell me your name? What's your name?
Avyan Bansal.
Very good. So, Avyan, which letter does your name start with? Very good. Good job. So now you all have to remember. Now I'm going to ask one more child who is going to come. Palvit, come on. Palvit, the A says?
A says
Very good. The A says A. The A says A. You have to remember. Okay? Apple and an alligator. The A says A. Okay, now, Mohammed, your turn. Mohammed, the B says? The B says? Very good. Again, the B says B. The B says? Bat, ball, and? Butterfly. Yes, the B says? Ba. Very good. Very good. Now I'm going to ask more children. Shaurya. Shaurya, tell me an object that starts with B. 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 Think. Till then, I'll go to Krisha. You think, okay? Krisha, I'm waiting for you, Shaurya, okay? You can get the object and tell also. Krisha, please unmute yourself. Rashmin, Shivai, your turn will also come.
B says but. B.
Very good.
Bat, ball and butterfly.
The B
B
says
says but.
very good. Can you tell me a picture with A, Krisha?
Apple.
Very good. Good job. Now, Rashmin. What's the sound for letter A, Rashmin?
A.
Very good. And what's the sound for letter B, Rashmin?
B.
Can you tell me objects with A and B?
Apple. Apple.
B.
B for B.
Object name.
Object with B.
B.
Object.
Ball.
Very good, Rashmin. Good job. Who is left now? I think Gurbat. Shaurya, once you're ready, please show me your thumbs up, okay? Think. You can get objects also. Gurbaz, can you please unmute yourself? Yes, Gurbaz, can you please tell me what's the sound for letter A? Very good. Can you tell me an object with A?
Apple.
Very good. And what's the sound for letter B?
Ball.
Ball, but what's the sound? Object is ball, but what's the sound?
B. The B.
B says? The B says?
B.
B. Yes, the B says B. The B says B. Very good. Now, Shaurya, you're ready? Yes, Shaurya, show me your object. I think he's feeling shy, ma'am, but he's understanding, right? Shaurya's mama?
Yeah, ma'am, he is all right. He's just acting a little stubborn, I think.
It's okay, don't worry. Don't push him too much.
Yeah.
Already. Thank you so much, children. And your homework is you are going to revise both the sounds A, B, B, and their songs. The A says A, the A says A. Apple and an alligator, the A says A. The B says B, the B says B. Bat, ball and butterfly, the B says B. Okay? And in the next class, I want you to get 2 toys. One with A and number 2 with B. And keep it ready before the class starts. Okay? All ready? Time to say bye-bye. Parents, if you've not received the kit, please write down in the chat. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good evening. Play. Drink your milk. Go early to bed, okay? Nobody will stay up at night. सब जल्दी foodie खा के dinner and go to sleep, okay? Okay? And don't forget my name, okay? My name is Nikita, ma'am. Thank you so much, mamas, for joining in. And if you haven't received your kit, you will receive it soon. Just drop us your name and number if you can, and our team will check upon it.